Next, I'll teach you how to crochet a dinosaur. Take out our pink thread. Beginning with a magic ring. Chain 1, and then work 6 single crochets into the ring. Beginner ties a marker on the first stitch. Pull the tail to tighten the ring. Then slip stitches into the first stitch to join. The first round is completed. Make a chain stitch to start the second round of crocheting. For round 2, we're going to do 6 increases. That means you'll work 2 single crochets into the same stitch. The first set is completed. The second group is done. After completion, then slip stitches into the first stitch to join. The second round is completed. Make a chain stitch to start the third round of crocheting. In round 3, we'll do 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 increase in the next. Repeat that 6 times around. Newbies can continue to mark here. Complete the first set. The second group is done. The third group is done. After completing the 6th set, slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Our third round is completed. Chain 1 to start the 4th round of crocheting. In this round, we'll work 1 single crochet, followed by an increase, and then another single crochet. Repeat those 3 steps 6 times around. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet increased. Another single crochet. The first set is done. Start the second group. The second group is done. The third group is done. The fourth group is completed. The fifth group is done. After completion, then slip stitches into the first stitch to join. Our fourth round is completed. Chain 1 to start the fifth round of crocheting. In this round, we'll place one single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, then one increase in the following stitches. First, single crochet 3. Then crochet a single crochet increases. One set is done. The second group starts with 3 single crochets. Then crochet a single crochet increases. The third set. Start the fourth group. The last group. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Our fifth round is completed. Chain 1 to start the sixth round of crocheting. For round 6, our pattern is 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets. Repeat this sequence 6 times. We'll work 1 single crochet in each of the first 2 stitches. Then 1 increase in the next. And 1 single crochet in each of the following 2 stitches. The first set is done. Then start the second group. First, single crochet 2. A single crochet increases. Then 2 single crochets. Next, the third group. Then the fourth group. Then the fifth group. The last group. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Our 6th round is completed.